All right, welcome back everyone. So now I'm out here about to jump into this adventure, this build, Lego Technic's BMW MotorRad M1000RR. It has 1,920 pieces. Stock number is 42130. It's a 5th scale for the Legos. As you can see right here, 1/5 scale. I think it's gonna be pretty decent size. I don't know if it's gonna fit in my cabinet or not, but it should be a decent size. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys certain pictures. I'm gonna start bag by bag first, then parts that I think might be important for you to see on the build, I'll show that, and then I'll show the portion of that area. Like if I do bag 1, I'll show you bag 1's build, bag 2, bag 2's build, bag 3, and so on and so on. So that way you don't get lost in the mix and you guys understand what I'm doing. Just like I said again, it has a lot of stickers on here, so hope I get the stickers right and don't mess them up. All right, everyone, so at the end, we'll bring you back and show you the full entire build and talk about what I like and dislike about it and call it a day. here's the build. It's all done, all completed and done. Couple things though. Woo! We wasn't talking about stickers. Jesus. Stickers for days to put on there. Sticker for days to put on there. It was that bad. Just had to pay attention to how everything lined up. One thing I don't like, or they could have done a little bit better, the other stand for it, they could have placed a bracket across here so that this doesn't flex in. Because if it gets hit and it flexes in, it's going to tip over because there's nothing to keep it from tipping over. But I do like how they built the stand for it. So, yeah. Like I was talking about the stickers, you have to be careful about how you line the stickers because once you put them on there, they're kind of hard to get off. They're real difficult to get off. They'll start tearing if you try to peel them back, even with a little heat. They stick that good. They stick on that good. So, yeah, everything works on it. The gears and everything works on it. I think it looks pretty cool there. If you didn't know anybody, you think it was an RC car from Legos. But I had no issues with it. I had no problems. It went together pretty sweet, pretty nice. I just can't take my eyes off it though. I'm sorry. Yeah, the last one I did was the Ferrari. You guys seen the build on that one for last year? It was pretty good. So yeah, it's not like I go out and buy these every month. I don't do that. It has to, again, like my RC cars, it has to catch my eye. One has to catch me to the point where like, yeah, I got to build it or I got to have it. So the next one I'm looking at is the Harley Davidson one that they have. It's the Rod. That should be an interesting one to build too. Not that many stickers, but it looks real cool. Yeah. And I know some of you guys, if you just not joining the channel and you're looking at this like, I thought this was an RC channel. It is an RC channel mainly, but I do like Lego, so you'll see this pop up on the channel once in a while. But if you're into what I do, if you like what I do, then stick around, guys. You'll see this every once in a while. It's not gonna be every month, might be twice a year, depending on which cars are out. So, all right. Yeah, that's the only dislike I have against this thing is just that second stand that you use. I'm gonna leave it on this stand because I'm gonna put it in here and put it in the cabinet, and my grandkids bump that cabinet. It's gonna fall over and it's gonna go into a couple pieces that I gotta put back together. I know you don't want to do that. So, all right, everyone, that is gonna be it for this. Hope you liked it. Again, these are builds I like to do. So you know the deal. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's all I ask you to do. All right. Yeah, the next video you'll see is the running of the infraction that I built. So that should be coming up here in a couple of days. All right, everyone. So we're out. Let's go, girl. Find a spot for you in the cabinet.